And how are you going to take care of me as a lady? You don't have a dick. Like, how are you going to work it out?
She's asking something. Ask her again.
How are we going to work it out? You don't have a dick, and like, I mean, it won't work. And also maybe after a couple of days a month, I want to be a mother. Remember, she came to my bed and she tried to kiss me.
Seriously.
Yeah. She also like, if I sleep, she comes there. She's watching me while I'm sleeping. Yeah. I don't know, but so I didn't think that it would go to this extent, sending me gifts. Lazima nikasirike, mambo gani haya? Seriously, this is not good. This is not good actually. See, like, lady to lady, I don't do this.
Unafikiria kuna mwanamume saizi anaweza kukutreat hivyo? Hakuna, utatamani tu sana, yani usicheze na hii chance.
Me seriously, mimi I won't. I'm not in that.
Okay, pole.
No.
Okay,
No,
bye.
first come, my dear. First come. I want to know something. Madam Tina.
Nyondo Media.
Ekizigo ekigoba binnamakula ebizimba byonna ebikuli ku mubiri ng'owulira tobyetaaga kikino Nyondo Glim ekizigo mbagambye ekizigo ekigoba namakula ebiguuna byonna ebizimba ebikuli ku mubiri kikino Nyondo ani atamanyi Nyondo Media Dukira wefunire ekizigo lemuleko okugoba abaami mu mayumba muleke okutugoba bannange nzija okukimira mu omukyala muletera ekizigo ekyange ewa Nyondo Media oba Nyondo contactinga ku namba noti 524 6 8 noti 778 eyo enamba gicontacting wefunire ekizigo ekinakunyiriza ekinakumira ku mutindo asigadde tubo Urban Voice DXB tweyanziza nnyo.
Bannaye mukola kyamaanyi nnyo abantuma nenga pulyangako njagala kutuula muko oba alonga sina wenyiza kutuula naye kolira amagulu ga bakwita kupamba okuteekayo kamera eno mazeka kasanti mwana muwala ali mukubajja naye ambonyabonyereza wiiki namba Abannayuganda nobo balekaliikaleko bo Bannayuganda kuba tuli baluvube twagala nnyo ebintu Omunnayuganda mugamba leero tibunange njagala kukulaba n'akugamba oli ludda wanzije n'akugamba kati enkya tukeere nkukeera bukeezi n'akunoonyezaawo naye ono Abannakenya Abanigeria Abannagana bazibu muuko kati ona ambonyabonyereza wiiki namba kuva bampa ebirabo bino naye this time round nga twakiteesaako bannaye tulina okukebera ebirabo bino naye baaba tobibalaga ate munange mulimu n'akantu kati kano kaki era kategeeza ki bagenda kuzaala annange wabeerawo smart watch then newabeerawo neeno gundi omanyi kati sikyagira buli sikinagirabyeko si ebintu biri awo neeno ki so twalize wamu tobalazeeko kaso twabalaga mpale yange gye nyambadde omanyi ati naawe wetumiikiriza bino bye tulinawo sofa nze munzikirize tubikebere nga tubiragenga tulinamu smart watch tulinamu yiyo gundi awo tulinamu n'akaana kati akaana simanyi naye nga byebyo omuntu yabimpadde yandaze nti alinamu kasente naye sikyanyuma nnyo bintu tulinze muwala era mukubiddeko nangamba aseke nti siwendi so naye waali akoze eki si yeyo ogamba hi si yeyo ogamba it's like you're scared. Why are you leaving your bag there? Bring your bag. Why are you leaving it there? It's like you're scared, eh? Bring your bag. Don't leave it there. What if someone takes it away? Bring your bag also. We're going to share this microphone. Come with your bag. I said come with your bag. The way you move like this, like Moriara Papa, just like it, you know. How are you, baby girl?
I'm fine, and you?
You're looking beautiful.
Wow, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
From Kenya. Which side? Which side? Which
Mombasa.
part? Mombasa. How is Mama?
She's fine.
How is Baba?
Good.
I want to learn Swahili. Will you help me?
Yeah, I will help you. Mambo.
Power.
So you know, you see? Very easy.
I only know that one. Power, sasa, nakupenda,
I love
uko
you.
mjinga,
Mjinga, that means you are stupid.
matakombili,
Matakombili buttocks. Who taught you all this?
hey,
Hey!
muskin jauli,
That is someone that is poor but with eager.
Poor with eager. That is muskin jauli.
Yeah.
Wow, I'll learn slow by slow.
Okay.
How are you, Mama?
I'm fine.
Guess what? I'm here with a beautiful a gift.
From who? Is it mine?
Of course, who else is here? It is for you. Please.
And why will you give me a gift?
It's not from me. If it is from someone very special to you, guess who could it be?
Maybe my boyfriend wanted to surprise me because my birthday is in the corner.
Your birthday's on the corner,
Yeah.
so this is in advance, eh?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
What is your good name?
Zahara.
Zahara. What is your boyfriend's name?
Haj.
Haj. Tell us the real names. Don't say only Haj. How do you know that you're having many Hajis?
No.
Tell his name.
That is his name. That's the name that actually is using.
Haj.
Yeah.
So you are Mchala Haj.
Yeah.
You're proud Mchala Haj.
Yeah, nampenda sana Haj.
Unapenda sana Haj. So this one is from Haj, eh?
Yeah, maybe I think it's from him.
Only Haj, no one else, eh?
No.
Let's
Maybe.
guess another person.
I'm not a good guesser though. I don't know.
You're not good at guessing.
Yeah.
Though you don't, you know. Another person, try. Don't you have friends around? Don't you have,
I have many friends, but I can't like guess who actually sent me a present like this. I don't know.
Anyway, I think it will be better if I make a call and you talk to that person, the one and the only. Producer, give me my phone. Let me call this person.
Who's that person? Nani?
You're going to know. Napenda pesa bweshiri. Anyirida nyanyo kufa olinga munyogo kude mata. Ntesa. Stop Swahili. Me, I don't understand Swahili. What if you start abusing me here?
Oh no, I'm not abusing you. Actually, I'm like trying to think who is that sending me a gift without knowing.
If it's not your husband, eh?
Yeah.
It is someone else. Hello, madam.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, my dear. Did you deliver the thing very well?
Of course, I'm here with her. She would like to know who's sending her a gift, but she's very happy.
Why? Give her.
Remind me of your name. Maybe she knows what your name is.
Tina, my dear, did you deliver it well?
Yeah, Tina, yes, I'm with her right now. She's very happy. She's eager to receive the gift. She's putting on a smile. You know, she was telling me someone else. Maybe it is my husband. Maybe it is Haji. And I told her, no, you have to get someone else apart from him.
Yeah, I knew she will accept it. Please give myself to her.
Okay, you're going to talk to her. She's here.
Hello?
Hello, dear. Did you like the gift?
Who are you and why are you sending me gifts?
She's called Tina.
Why? You didn't like it?
No, I didn't expect gift from a lady.
Kwa nini sasa?
Kwa nini mwanamke mwenzangu unitumanie zawadi? Yamaanisha nini? Why?
Some English, I don't understand.
Why will you send me a gift and I'm a lady as you?
I thought you loved
I didn't think that's necessary.
I mean, it's busy, my dear. Guys will not take care of you. I can take care of you.
How can you take care of me? How?
Why?
This thing is not good. It's not good. It's forbidden. Even God don't allow this. And you know that.
Basi usikasirike sana my dear. Mimi I knew you will appreciate it. That's why nikakutumia.
Yeah, actually, but like this, the way like you will be like a guy, you taking care of me, that's not possible. Won't happen. Yeah, she's my friend. I know her. How come she be like you want to seduce me with this gift?
Has she ever done that? One-on-one?
Yeah, I remember she came to my bed and she tried to kiss me.
Touch, seriously?
Yeah. She also like if I sleep, she come there. She's watching me while I'm sleeping. Yeah. I don't know, but so I didn't think that it would go to this extent, sending me gifts.
Hello.
Actually, I don't know.
Hello, Madam Tina.
Give her the phone.
Yeah, she's here, Mama. She's here. She's hearing.
Usikasirike basi pole.
Lazima nikasirike mambo gani haya? Seriously, this is not good. This is not good actually. See, like, lady to lady, I don't do this.
Unafikiria kuna mwanamume saizi anaweza kukutreat hivyo? Hakuna, utatamani tu sana yani usicheze na hii chance.
Me seriously, mimi I won't. I'm not in that. If
Okay,
it's a man, it's fine.
pole.
If you're ready to give me your brother, then I'm in. But you, no, I'm not.
Okay, pole.
No.
Okay,
No,
bye.
first come, my dear. First come. I want to know something. Madam Tina.
Naam, dear.
Wait, actually, when you gave me this gift, I thought I'm taking to a friend, just a friend.
No, I'm sorry.
So do you mean you're having feelings for your fellow woman?
Yeah, is it bad? It's not a bad thing.
Are you for real?
Yeah, I like
Is
her,
it
and I
acceptable
don't
in
like
your
it.
country? But why? Aren't you married? Don't you have a husband?
It's okay, I'm also bad. Tell her I'm very sorry. I did it not to take it like that.
So now, if I may ask you, what are you going to do with her? In case you go, what are you going to do?
Actually, that's the thing.
Because you're fellow ladies. Huh?
You are offending me, guys. You know, it doesn't matter who you like. We are free to do anything. I don't care about my country. I just love her. That's it.
How do you see if we get you a husband, we get you a man? Because this one is a lady and she's not into it. She does not like it completely.
No, me, I like her. I don't care about men. I don't care anything. And no man
And how are you going to take care of me as a lady? You don't have a dick. Like, how are you going to work it out?
She's asking something. Ask her again.
How are we going to work it out? You don't have a dick, and like, I mean, it won't work. And also maybe after a couple of days a month, I want to be a mother.
But the way you behave as if you like her, it's like you like it, eh?
No, me, I don't like it.
Mimi naweza nikakuhudumia, achana nao watu. Mimi
No.
Wanaume watakusaidia na mimi sasa hivi. Hao wanaume siwezi hadi kuhudumia mtu mama. Hasira.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. It won't work. Actually, it won't work. Hapana. In your country, you allow these things?
No, of course not. It is forbidden.
But this one... Sawa, niko sawa, but tafuta tu dem mwingine mimi zi. Just look for another lady. As for me, no.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm waiting for the right man that will come and propose and get married to me and maybe get some kid.
When you don't have, when you didn't
Ask her if you want to get a kid, how will she make it?
Yeah, for example, now I want to be a mom, okay? And how are we going to make it that?
Anything is possible.
I don't want to adopt a baby. I want to be like to get pregnant and to get birth as normal ladies.
Don't listen to people. Don't listen to
I'm not listening to people.
Okay, then usishindane wewe. Bali unafikiria kuna mwanamume siku anaweza kukushughulikia? Hakuna mwanamume anaweza kukushughulikia my dear. Wanaume wote ni wajinga.
Kuna watu wangapi ambao wako kwenye marriages zao na suitable?
At least mimi naweza nikakupa chochote unachotaka, anything. Ukiniambia nataka hii, Tina nataka hii, Tina I want this, I can do that for you.
Wewe mwenyewe also you are depending on your husband actually.
It's okay. It's okay.
And she wants you also. But Mama, how do you want to do it? You're having a husband and then you need a fellow woman. So how are you going to play this? Okay, will you be able to give her what your husband gives you?
It's not a crime. It's not a crime. Yes, I can give her whatever my husband gives me. I'm ready because I love her so much. Whatever my husband gives me, I
But
can
why
give it
didn't you
to
tell
her.
me
She
this
has
before when
to-
you sent me? Why didn't you tell me this?
This is not something I can just tell you openly. I'm sorry I put you in a trouble. I'm sorry. I know I couldn't control my heart because she was ignoring me. Somehow I felt ignored.
Yeah, because
That's
it
why I
can't work
didn't
between
tell
us. You are a lady and I'm a lady. And this
Well,
is not, don't work.
You know,
Do you have a dildo?
Yeah. Of course, Rosie tunataka tuenjoy sote mimi na wewe.
Seriously?
I can sometimes see, yeah, kwa hiyo kuna
And
ubaya.
that is not you actually. That is machine, man-made.
so she wants to use you with that one. Eh?
Seriously? I want to feel something. Real one. Natural.
We can share my husband sometimes. Tunaweza tukashare huko
No.
wangu.
Hata ushoga. Hata mimi na wewe tusuguane kivipi kwa mfano? Kivipi utasuguana mimi na wewe? Mambo ya aibu bwana haya. Mimi kesho mtoto wa kike nataka pia mimi niolewe. Alafu wewe wamsikiza huyu anayekupigia simu unielewi. Alo.
Hello? Madam Tina. So I think I'm not going back with this. Give her some message, but you have to take this by the way, yeah.
I should give which message, for example?
If you like her, tell her you like her. If you don't like her, but me, I have to give you your gift.
Me, I like...
Like me, I'm not taking it back. You have to go with it, yeah. Maybe you can take it back to her, or you can, I don't know.
How should I take it? And like he want to propose, he just sent this gift because he want to be with me. He didn't send this gift only. That he wanted to send me this gift so that he would be with me.
Actually, I have to sit somewhere. I don't know if this will work. But, I didn't come with something. Come with it a bit. You can have a seat here. Okay, now.
And you have to...
I heard you saying, sorry, my dear. I don't think I'll have to go back with this. I'm not taking it back. For example, there is this. Now, what is the meaning of that?
This one. I think it's a doll. It's a toy. Like
She wants you to give birth, like she.
maybe I think this one is like when I look at it, like there is something and I should remember something. Reunion.
Like what? That you can remember something.
Yeah.
Maybe I hear if someone gives you a gift or gives you something, there must be a reason or there must be some message. So
The
which message
like
do you think?
means that maybe I'm a princess and maybe he wants to take care of me.
I
don't know. I think that is what
Yeah, you are a princess and she can take good care of you. There is also this, I think film is a nice one. There is this smartwatch also. So don't you think you need these things? You need these things?
Even if I need them, but like actually to get into a relationship now, the girl is hard for me.
So you want it, eh?
But the doll, wait, this way she think that she'll send me, she'll give to me a doll.
I don't know, just like you've said.
I'm
that
asking,
maybe-
as for me,
Mm.
as my own thinking or as my own imagination, I think that. What about you? What do you think? Why she sent me the doll?
Maybe she would like you to have a kid with her.
How are we going to have a kid and I'm a girl and she's also a girl?
Maybe there's a way she can do it. She can make you pregnant.
How?
I
No, I heard that these lesbians, if they stay together, they propose, also they get married, others. Then after that, they adapt. But as for me, I want to get pregnant.
So you don't want to adopt a kid.
No.
You want to get a
My
child
own,
from
my
your
belly.
own womb.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
There is this, I had also, you
Is that
can
the
just
only
buy
reason?
sperm and make a clone, then they inject you. I don't also want that one.
You also don't want that one.
Yeah.
But can you be with a fellow woman in a bed? Like that when she's saying she is going to use on you. Can you accept that?
To use on me, how?
Like to have fun. She's a lady, she doesn't have that. If she has that, is it dildo? If she has it.
This is a real talk or just like this? Seriously, behind the camera.
So Washa, yeah, with the camera, no problem with it. So the way I see it, you like it, just you're pretending.
Wait, stop this one.
The way I
We're
see
not talking about this one.
You like it, but you're pretending and you like her.
No.
Before you said you have Haji, and later I heard you telling her, if you have your brother, I can go for him.
No, I say maybe. I just told her, I thought you wanted to propose me to your brother. You get it? Yeah. Because see, now let's say I'm dating with someone, okay? And this someone I'm dating with is not ready into marriage. And here there is another person ready to get into marriage. I should not waste my time. I should just go for the marriage. That's what I'll do.
Actually, how do you meet? Because you know her, Tina. You said you
Yeah,
stay together.
actually we meet.
Tell us the truth. How did she start seducing you, doing all these things, and how would you feel?
Actually, we used to like cook together in the kitchen. Like
When she comes, she's touching you.
yeah, she say, I like your back. She just spanked me like what's this? Then if she goes maybe outside, if she come back, she bring for me something. I thought that's maybe sister's love. I didn't expect that maybe she's like into something.
Then
Or
when did you come to realize that thing, that maybe there is something
I've just
different with
realized
her?
recently, because she started like act weird. When I sleep, she just came to my bed and just staring at me like this. I wake up, I just find her there, watching me. Like I was, seriously, what are you doing? Say, I was just looking at you while sleeping. I say, are you okay? Say, yes, I'm okay. Why? Then like that, it just started like that. Then after some while, he just came, kiss me at night, good night, and he kissed me on my forehead. I was like, what's wrong with her? But me, I didn't like take it seriously. Like maybe he want to seduce me or she wants me. No, I didn't take it that way.
Have you ever seen fellow ladies in love?
Yeah, I've seen.
Where? So it's like you like it. You know the way you are
I
smiling when
know.
you're discussing
See,
about it.
yeah, I'm laughing because that's my nature. That's me.
That's you.
Yeah.
And you cannot change.
I cannot change. Even if I'm like in the middle of a scene, sometimes like I forgot, then I started laughing. That's me. I don't put things in heart.
Yeah. So you take life easy. Simple. Okay. For those whom you've ever seen, how were they behaving? Is it in Kenya or here in Dubai?
I've seen so many in Dubai, also in I've seen.
You've seen. So
Yeah.
in your country, what do you talk about the gay or lesbianism?
See me, as for me, I won't say bad about them because
What
we
about
have
in your
brothers.
country? Is it accepted?
It's not accepted, but like there are other people like in this generation. People, they should like be free to do what they want to do. You cannot like actually command someone to do something that you won't do. Maybe let's say, okay, I'm a lesbian. Let's just say, like, you put it like example, I'm a lesbian, right? And let's say my family don't want me to be a lesbian. They will just look a man and I'll find for me a man and then like try to get me married, right? And then after that, I'll go to marriage, right? After I'm going to marriage, still that lesbian is in me. Even if that man, I'll be with him, but still I will not feel anything
For
with him.
him.
Yeah.
You're busy
I'll be
for
like
the sake of
cheating.
marriage.
Yeah, because like I want to please my family.
So this is what
So that's
Tina
why
is
I'm trying
doing.
to. Yeah.
So Tina is married, is having a
Yeah,
husband.
he has a husband.
Where do they stay? On the same building?
Oh,
with yours?
no, the husband actually is not there. The husband is not around, but he's at work.
He's at work. So he comes once in a while,
Yeah.
not during weekends.
Yeah.
So she wants to be with a man, on the other hand, with...
That's bisexual, and that's
bisexual.
normal because
Yeah.
maybe that's the same. That's
Besides,
the impact.
bisexual is normal?
No.
What
See,
did you say?
it's normal to other people's. Not all individual, no. Others. Because let's say, you see, let's say for another example. Now you see like her. I'll give an example with her. Now she's married, right? Let's say this thing, she didn't start with me. She has started since before getting married. So that thing is in her.
It's growing in her.
Yeah.
So it was there.
So
before.
to leave that thing, it will take
cannot
even
deal
not
with
even
a man.
even months or years. That thing I
It's
don't know
born
how
in
to explain
her.
it, but I think that thing
And
is
I said it's
in.
inherited.
I don't think it's inherited. No.
Eh.
No, this one is not really.
It is not really.
I don't know how should I put it, but me, what as me, I will just tell people out there: if you think you are a lesbian and you are into girls, you do what is best for you.
Support
If you
them.
think no, I'm not supporting anyone. Me, I'll stand on my lane, but like I'm trying to. I don't want to be like propose or oppose something. No.
Okay.
Because this one, it will bring like something bad outside there. And we are also lesbian, also gay out there, they're watching us. And they're also
So
humans.
they'll feel bad.
Yeah. So I won't be in gay sides or in lesbian sides or in couples or what. No, I'll stand as.
Actually, they should stay in their lane.
Yeah.
And they shouldn't seduce other people into it. Mostly those who are not interested in it. For
Yeah.
example, you're not into it, but she's trying to seduce you so that you accept her. Give her a message. She'll be watching this. But it seems you love her. It seems you love her.
No.
When I talk about
See,
her, you're smiling. Is
no.
it simply because it is... Okay, has
Not
she ever
the-
told you any...
No, it's
anything?
not about that. The way you're looking at me, like you're trying to like, you have to give them a message, and like I'm feeling like shy. I can't face the camera, like I can't like face the whole world and like saying, you know, it's like this because I have my friends also they're lesbian. I have a friends also that gays. If I put this message, others start ignoring me. So that's why. But this
think you are
message,
against
if
it.
you are a gay, you just do what's best. If you are a lesbian, do what's best for you. And if you are a couple, marriage couple, do what's best for you as a marriage couple.
That's what you're saying.
That's what I'll say.
You know what? You're very wise. So, has she ever told you anything?
Apart from that,
This
yeah, she told me she loves me.
She has ever said it.
She
What
has.
what was your reply?
I told her I love you too because of Allah. And that's what religions tell us.
You
We
have
should
to
love one another. For me, I take it as a sisterhood. But as for her, she take it with love and affection and whatever, I don't know.
That's what she thinks it is. That's how she takes it.
Yeah.
Okay, give her a message.
As for you, Tina out there.
But you're smiling. It seems you girl, you know. Eh?
See, no,
You
I can't.
people-
I'm facing the camera actually. I can't
Because
like.
you cannot tell people the truth, eh? Okay, tell her. Tell her.
It's not
Like,
there.
Tell
It's
her.
not there.
She will
But
watch, my
this
dear. She's
message.
following me.
See, this okay. But this message is for all people, not only for Tina.
Okay. Give it out.
Actually, like if you, I'll just say to everyone or just for freedom.
Everyone. You said it's not for only her, but for all.
Okay, let's say, as for me, my life is private. I won't open up. I'm not into social media. I will not put everything in social media.
Yeah.
But for others out there, if like you want to like you're a lesbian and you want to like to propose to someone, please watch whom you are trying to seduce or to propose, because there are other people out there, they're not into that. So like don't force them to go into that. That is what I'll try to say. Nothing much.
They should do their things, their own ways, to themselves. They shouldn't seduce anyone
others to
there,
get them into
because
it.
it's like we're having two worlds. For those people and for the normal ones. Should we say these ones are abnormal people?
I won't say that. People are watching. I won't say that.
Anyway, now you have to take this gift. She told me I should give it to you. So you have to accept it.
Like me, I will accept the gift because I like the gift. I won't
What
lie.
about the person?
The person, no.
You don't like her. So Madam said they don't like you.
Stop this
Are you
one.
for real? You like the gift, but you don't want the owner. Tell her the truth. Let her know. Tell her. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you for the gift, but I'm not ready to get into a relationship. Hey yo.
So you're taking the gift? But
I'm
you don't
taking the
want-
gift, but I don't want to get into a relationship. Hey yo.
Well, this lady is just crazy, you know, Madam Tina. I don't think if she has accepted your gift, maybe later, because if someone accepts something from you, that means there is hope.
Thank you, Tina, for the gift. But then my birthday is on the corner. Maybe you wanted to surprise me, so I won't hesitate to take this gift.
My dear, it's not that way. She gave it to you in sending message to you. You have to know that she loves you so much. She wants you to. And she's happy. Anyway,
Okay.
Madam Tina, I have delivered your message. My job is done. Successful today for the first time. Give me the mic.
Okay.
I'm so happy. Madam Tina, I think this is the first surprise that I've ever done in my life which has been successful. However, she's pretending not to be loving you. But since she has accepted your gift, you never know. Maybe with the time, she'll give you a chance. Yeah!
You stop this. You're trying to give.
So I have delivered your message very well. I have delivered your message successfully. I thank God. This has been my first time to do a surprise, and someone accepts the gift. Yes, sometimes others we are beating me, the gifts, they're running away, they're killing me, they're kicking me. You know, I was scared when I heard that when she was on a call. I thought maybe what you're going to say, what you're going to do. I thought you're going to fight
the
me.
phone because I can't afford to pay an iPhone now. My work also is not the
No, I thought maybe you're going to slap me, you're going to be like mad at me, you're going to, because this is how people are doing to me when I'm bringing them something. They're treating me badly. I thought maybe you're going also to do the same thing, but thank you for that. And since you've taken the gift, maybe this lady will get what she wants from you.
So which side are you? That's why I told you in the camera people are watching. I'm not on Tina's side or anyone's side. I'm on my own. You is like you're on Tina. Tina, did she pay you?
No.
Oh,
Of course, she paid me for work, not for seducing you.
Ah.
She didn't pay me to seduce you, but she paid me the money to deliver this to you. As long as you accept, then she'll give me bonus. So now I win.
So now you win. You're with
No,
her.
I'm not defending her. Like I don't support what she does. I don't support her actions. I don't like it. I personally, but at least I have delivered my message. And even when she gave me this, she didn't tell me maybe she's thinking of something else. I thought maybe you're just friends. That's what I thought. I just had it on a call when we were talking to her, and she was like, nakupenda sana, uko mjinga na mwana mambili, this. I really love learning Swahili.
So you really love learning Swahili. Those words they just taught you, they're not even good words. Serious. Like matakombili, kumawewe, these things are not even good. Kwenda uko,
what does that mean?
Go away.
This is kwenda uko.
Matakombili, these only two birds. So there are things that's trying to teach you, see?
It's not good. Anyway, I'll come to you and you teach me. Since we've not fought, we can be good friends, sir.
Okay.
I'll have you one more time.
Okay.
We shall have to discuss about something else.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
okay,
and for accepting the gift. Thank you for making work easy for me for the first time. I'm going to eat my money peacefully without bruises on my body, without fights, without I'm safe.
You're safe, yeah. But don't think that Rani I've accepted her. No, my answer is still the same.
No. And you're taking the things.
Yeah, I'm taking the things. Am I the one who told her to bring for me the things? I'm not the one.
Kati onabera mukuzi.
I'm not mukuzi.
She's mukuzi. Abadamu tina bakudde banange. Amwe balinyo badala bali ku Nyondo Media batulaba guno gwe mundi gwange ogusoose okubanga mbutufu ndese ebintu ate nga bali bantumye ku muntu mukyama okutwalize wamu kubanga atumye mukyala atumye ku mukyala munne nga womanye ebintu ebyo. Uganda gyebiri, Kenya gyebiri, Tanzania gyebiri, Rwanda gyebiri, yonna gyebiri ebyo ebintu naye bannanga abakazi beekaza worldwide. Ozo gamba nti ategera byenjogera kaleega empomi. I love you.
I love you.
Okay,
too.
Thank you, Mama. See you again, eh?
Okay.
Yalla, bye.
Right. Anti akaziga akakabi akomulembe gwe nawe no mvubuka leeyo nga wetaga akazigo akashananya olususulu otambule muko bagambe ono mwana wawa akazigo kali kamukokka ku mukazi ali eyo oli mu kiyombo oliwa akazigo kali kamukokka ke Nyondo Grim kosobola okubanga wekwatako n'okyusa olususulo ne lufaananga olwa baby omutone lunyirira tekerusa tekayeta biti bina makula byonna boolinamu kabijjamu ne kabigugula bulungi nnyo osobasa ku namba y'essimu eri wano wammanga noti eri +9715246807778 osoba funa obo byataze bakola deliveries za kabi bona obosinze baba kikutuusaako nanga akange kakano kangede nkakozeseeko.
Aibadiya baffe mission kulabika bulungi, mission kunyirira, mission kudda buto, tokkiriza kula, temukiriza kula. Abamu waliwo abantu abatuzaala nenga mutufu omutunu yabo otuyinza okulowooza nti gwa muzaala. Tetukkiriza kula. Omwana ow'obuwala ddala obuwala basajja bakule. Abasajja bo beetaga kula mu ssente n'wabanga mukulu naye nga alina mu ssente kimuzza buto. Kati ffe tubeere bato ku face ku ndabika twefeeko. Kakati nkoze video eno banaye balage mwenna engeri tukozesamu ebizigo bino kubanga mbannyonnyola nnyo ne mbaga bannange kino kikolebwa ekiti bannange kino kikolebwa ekiti. Okusookera ddala ebiseera ebisinga buli client gwe tuwa package ya Nyondo Glim kuteekeddwa okubeerako kana akazigo akatono. Oluusi kabeera mu kakebe kano, oluusi kabeera mu kakebe kalala naye nga munda mukko kabeera nga ka Vaseline naye kalimu eddagala lyako, eddagala ddungi nnyo. Akazigo kano kakino nkiseeko nnyo esiira nti munda ko kaba katono kakebe kaako ketukozesa ate ne munda kabeera katono. Kati oli n'acomplaininga n'agamba Rozet ekisooka akakebe katono ate ne munda muteekamu akazigo nga kaki katono. Eddagala lino liteeka mu kazigo kanene tulijja India. Omanyi bali basawo bakugu muki tulijja eyo naye nga liri strong ddungi nnyo for the skin. Okay, so tuteekamu eddagala erimala mu kikulu kya byonna ekikulu si kazigo kubanga kangi abula eddagala erikalimu era mbagamba nti oba okakosa kiro ogenda kwebaka omaze okunaaba oli very okay okitegeera kati awo ng'okola ki ng'ojjamu akazigo ko bulungi nnyo okasiga mu kibatu bulungi nnyo then ng'okamasaginga ku skin ekiro ng'omaze okunaaba ogenda kwebaka for example kaakano nti ntandise package yange bagimpeereza njagala kukola ki kutandika kano ke tusooka nako ojja kakwata tolamu akatunga katono nnyo katono ddala nga bw'olaba katono ddala njagala okasige muno mu bibatu bw'oti bw'okasiiga bw'okasiiga mu gundi kesige bw'oti naye nga obeera ng'akamasaginga ku skin yo kano kabeera ka face yokka kubanga kawonya olubalabe kawonya oluyinja luno lusundo lu skin rush lwonna skin yo nga teri clear kuliko olutateredde kubanga skin erina okuba smooth nga bw'olaba eyange tesiinako kantu konna nga bw'ogira kino mbabuli amazima so n'okesiiga bulungi nnyo bw'oti n'otwala akaddeko nga okesiiga ng'olinga ng'akuuta tokuuta nnyo naye kesiige nti eddagala erikalimu likole ki lisobole okuba nga liyingira munda mu sikini era omala seconds zo nga 3 ng'okaliko ng'okakola ki ng'okakuutako ku sikini so that kayingira munda mu sikini okitegeera mwana wa maama kayingire munda mu sikini kati awo era omaze okukesigako bulungi nnyo seconds ezimala weebake osule nako era obeera nkwekuutako owulira oluyinjanja olukusala olulyo eddagala so kalingire munda mu sikini lijijjanjabe nekino kankibagambe nti ebiseera ebisinga abaana bambuuza Rozet nade sirina mbalabe nga butono obusinga sina ne lwaki uneseka akazigo oba nandisa product yo nafunye embalabe sikini esobola okuba nga ndwadde munda that's why olaba omuntu nga talina mbalabe naye nga abali dark spots ku sikini ye kungulu kitegeeza nti embalabe ebeera munda tefuluma nevundira omwo nefulumya dark spot eyo gy'olaba so katikana akazigo kayisikayo munda ne kabisa kungulu ekirungi kya byonna tekamalako bbanga ddene tebimalako bbanga ddene abamu tekabisikaayo eyo process ky'oba omanya abamu tekabisikaayo bisigalyeyo munda kati obisigalayo munda ne kajjanjabira mu munda so si mwenna nti kyateeka kalina okukola ki kalina okufuluma oba mutegeera baddiya bange kati oba okedde ku makya njagala onayemu akazigo kewasuzizzaamu okitegeera ogenda kanaaba otya kati ono sabuni wange nze gwenkozesa fena tukozesa sabuni ow'enjawulo nzikano sabuni gwenkozesa era nkuwa sabuni batukuwa sabuni okusinziira ku sikini oba kyetwagala kati sabuni ono mbasagala omukwate omuteeke mu face direct oba omukute ku kyangwe for example nze kano kenkozesa bwe mba ngenda kwekuta mu face ngenda kwekuta mu face nesita kwekuta mu face nkola bukozi bwenti gano siga amazzi gange nti nyina amazzi gange gagano nkola bukozi bwenti nenesiga ku sabuni no bulungi nnyo bwenti nenfuna ebyovu byange bimala nendyoka nkola ki nabamu kali akandozo ati no alina gundi amala ola anti alina ekyovu kye kimala ne sabuni ono era mugamba sabuni nga mutono sabuni amala amala nti acha mukamangu edaga elimu mulimala kati wetaaga ate kukwata kyangu okubemu bwoti ojjo kute face ojust kota ko kosu ku sabuni nga bondaba ojjo kole bwoti ero jja kanti ero vira bijja ngodo kutawo katono nnyo oberengo okola ki ng'olaba face yo nga bw'ogiraba bw'okimala okuginaba bulungi nnyo ogiwemu amazzi nayona nawe oginaabye akantu kali okakole ki okanaabemu mutegera abaana ba maama akantu kali obeere nga okanaabamu akantu kali obeere nga okanaabamu bw'omala okanaabamu saagala okole ki saagala ate okole ekintu kikyafu kyoba weesimuza ku sikini yo njagala mbalaga nti sikini yange yo nteena ku kantu konna mugiraba era gana agamba mulina makeup mbeera na makeup yino nginaabye bweti bwefaanana ngiyemu amazzi omaze okukanabamu bulungi nnyo tukudde bulungi tegera mwana wa maama funa akawero akayonjo gigire oba kagoye kale nkayonjo togikuuta nnyo kola oti olabe nti nno ogikaza okitegeera era nti obagamba nti oba tolina akadde kakola ku sikini yo sooka olindemu okitegeera kubanga yeetaaga obudde tuli bakyala okitegeera kati bw'omaliza wano bwoti then kiba kiddako oba ogenda kukwata ku kizigo ekyo ogenda okukozesa kati ekizigo ekyange kyenkosa kye kino era kakano kakaddiye mukalaba kati okwatamu bulungi nnyo era n'obeera okwatamu ekizigo nga kitono bino byemulaba ebiri kuno bwebiti bino mulaba bwebiti just ntekamu eddagala lyange nkyala yenna osobola okwesigako eddagala it's okay naye nga bizigo bye bimu just ntekamu eddagala lyange kati owesiga bwoti bwokola bwoti tolamulamu katono ogende wesige ku bigere bulungi nnyo wesiige okitegeera wesiige bulungi nnyo ku bigere okitegeera bw'omala okwesiiga bulungi mulimu abantu bosanga nga zino egundi zibeera zaaguba zino wano just nafukamirawo obufukamizi kano nikagenda kavaawo mpolampola kapya kano nafukamira ku jjinja we nagenda Uganda nga nebuuzisabuuzisa kagenda mpolampola kitegeera so lino liri very clear and okay terina tabu yonna nga bw'oliraba tosanga oli nga amagundi gaaguba amaviivi okitegeera ne buno nga bwaguba so awo wetuli baana ba maama kati okwata mu bizigo byo n'osiiga ebigere n'osiiga emikono then bwodda ku feesi ate feesi yo njagalamu akazigo katono nnyo kati okolaba kano kaketaddemu bwe kati nkola bwenti nenkola bwenti nenneesiiga kitegeera nenneesiiga nekira mumanye engeri y'okwesiigamu ebiki ebizigo ne muno oyisaayisa muko bwoti nibawega wagundi n'oyisaako bwoti ne muno n'oyisaamu bwoti ne mu kifa n'okola ki n'obeera ng'oyisaamu bulungi nnyo kitegeera n'obeera nga mu kifo oyisaamu bulungi so that obeere nga muno mu gifuba mulabika kyekimu ne sikiini yo osanga omuntu nga sikiini erabika bulala nga naye n'ekifa kikola ki kirabika bulala muyisaamu ekizigo kyo bulungi nnyo ne muno oyiseemu ne muno emabega wagundi oyiseemu ne muno oyiseemu then ne kuno kwonna okola ki oseeko ne wansi ku bigere then obeere ng'oli very okay kati olw'olumu nze sikosa bizigo era ndwawo okukozesa ebizigo ebiseera ebisinga nkosa bukosa ka oyiro mune ka oyiro kange mba oyiro okusinziira ku ki okitegeera nenga ngenda kukozesa kano ka oyiro okitegeera oba neŋŋamba nti ngenda kukozesa kano mbawa oyiro okusinziira ku packages zammwe oba okusinziira ku ki oba okusinziira ku skin zammwe oyiro sibawa y'omu okitegeera then neneeyisako oyiro wange oba oyiro kigumira neeyisizaako neneeyisako oyiro wange bulungi nnyo oluusi nze sikola ki sikozesa bizigo sikini yange nagikola yaggwa nesiga akagundi kange ka oyiro ne ka oyiro obeera okeesiiga just ntaddeko bingi otonyako katono nnyo kuba kaba kakola ki kameremeenya oba oluusi kaba katambula n'okeesiga the whole body bannange beera ne laavu ya sikini yo weeyagale nga gwe omuntu funa akadde weesiige bulungi nnyo so that nawe owulire nti kituufu nkoze eki nzigumidde neesiiza ekizigo si byakwerusa nti oli mukwerusa nayagala okwerusa obukosi tukukolako bw'oba ng'oyagadde yiyo ebeera special nnyo tulina ngigikolamu ebeera yanjawulo nejja naawe n'obeera ng'okola kirabagala okwerusa nze mbawa amagezi nti tutandika lumu bbu kwerusa kyobola muntu nga aba n'ebipaapi tandika ne gundi esookebwako nti kakati ekandike ne lightening 1 ekukyusamu katono 2 ekukyuse 3 ekukyusiza eddala ne skin ogituwako obutuuzi bwe pano ogikubako ebintu ebiri strong byetamanyira eba egenda kukola akabi kolifate weerabidde era kibula ng'osanga abantu nga balina zinnako ena alabika bubi alabika bw'atyo so link eno ngenda kugigabira bakiranisi bange mwenna mufuna akadde ngenda kugira ku tiktok nteeko ne ku facebook ne ku youtube kiba kisobose naye nga mufuukula nti mugigoberera mutegeere engeri gye mbasomesezaamu ebintu bino funa akadde wuliriza oba otegedde ojja kujja ombuuza eziremu nkole ki nkunnyonnyole kitegeera muganda wange so byebyo nenga buli product gikozese n'obwegendereza ng'ate n'omukwano